Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to come on real quick to share some birthday cards before I mail them out. Um, I've been watching Mary over at Cards TV. I'll link her down below if you don't know who I'm talking about. She makes beautiful cards, and I I've been inspired by her quilt cards that she's been making, and here's a little sample of it. So these are just 1-inch squares layered on a piece of paper, and then you use an embossing folder and emboss it, and it mimics a quilt, a little quilt square. So I'm using the products that she uses on her quilt squares, like um, this scallop rectangle. I have scallop rectangle dies, but they never um, measure up to the A2 size cards. And she shared on her video which dies that she uses. So I got this off of Amazon. It's a Stamps of Life scallop rectangle die. And yeah, and I just bought the die. I I don't I think these came with I don't think they came with stamps, but it just I don't know if it's a it says member new club. We have a new club, the folded club or something. So anyway, so I bought that, and then here is the embossing folder. It's called Baby's Breath, and I do not have this folder. With all the amount of folders I do have, this one I do not have. And there was another one she had shared. It was like a cherry blossom one, and I'm like, I don't have that one either. So I used this punch for my squares. I've been using it. Oh gosh, it's been since 2000. That's when I started scrapbooking, was in 2000. Yeah, and I don't know when I bought this, but it's probably around that time. And that's when I started crafting, and it just spiraled into many different things: coloring, card making, um, junk journaling. Well, I don't even do that anymore. Mini albums. Remember when we used to do mini albums? Like, my God, it was unbelievable. Um, and then now I'm just strictly doing cards. So anyway, I want to share my birthday cards with you all. Here's one of them. And I just took scraps of paper, punched them out, and then layered them on a 3x3 card. Um, I even did a mat with this like a cream color cardstock. And then I found this red polka dot that really went well with these papers. So it's scraps upon scraps. It was wonderful. And then I added some bling. This is a Hobby Lobby sticker pack that I just used up because I like to make these in advance, so all I have to do is just glue them on. Um, so that is one. And then here's another one. I love this one. This one is a cute one. And I'm not one for cutesy, but when it's birthday cards, you kind of want, a little cutesy. And this card's going to my husband's niece, but I think she'll appreciate that. She's much older now, but I think she'll appreciate that. So there's that one. And then there's this one. I love this one. And I use the rectangle. And see how it just looks perfectly on this card. I don't know why my cards look, I don't know. Her cards, these are like just barely on the edge. I don't know. Maybe my measurements are wrong. But this is the biggest rectangle in the set, so I don't know. But I love it nonetheless. I love this piece. This piece kind of pops up from the black and white polka dots in the background. I just love how that looks. Happy birthday. Added some pearls. Very cute, cute, cute birthday cards. So I just wanted to come on real quick to share what I've been doing. I've been trying to get back into crafting. Like I said before, I have been working in my little mini composition book, and I finally covered the cover of the book, and I just sat here and just tore papers and glued them on, and then I added some lace on the spine, and then here's the back of it. I just love how this thing has turned out. It has been so much fun to create in this little composition book, and I want to do another one because it's so much fun to do. And it's an alligator, or what is it, crocodile? Crocodile. I can't even close it. And I don't even know if I will. I'm just going to leave it like this. And I was going to put one of my altered playing cards on here. I don't know if it looks too big, or I think I'd like it like that. But I haven't decided what I'm going to do, what I'm going to put on the cover, but I love it. So anyway, just going on a rant, not a rant, but going into different things. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. And stay indoors. It's going to be super hot out there. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.